The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello, everybody. This is Jack, and kind of unusual time lately that we do something on Sunday. But I mean, I have so much full agenda the coming Tuesday. We have Math Basic, and do you guys hear me? Let me know if you hear me before I continue. Okay, very good. So let me share my screen before that we make sure everything is working. So, and turn off my Skype so I'm not getting disturbed. Please do the same. Okay, I got that taken care of. So it's kind of unusual. We have not done for a while on Sunday training, but um, Tuesday we have scattered math basic. The next week is the event. So I kind of felt last week I promoted WPGateway Secure. Let's say not everybody got exactly what it does and how to use it. So, and last Tuesday we did a webinar about the directory, the business directory. So I felt why not do a demo about security plugin, the same as we did last week about the business directory. So, and I think, I can make all kind of sales pages and all kind of things, and then you still don't know how it all works. So I felt a live demo does explain it well, at best. So I'm grateful that you guys take time out of your Sunday to join this training. So hi Art, hi Brian. 11 days for the digital marketing bootcamp. Yes, are already packed and ready to jump on the plane. Oh. Now I have to tell you, I work also a lot of time on it. So, it's the kind of the first thing I do this. So I have to buy the projector, the stand, the screen. Now people are asking how if I can record, so I'm looking into that now. Not sure if that works. So I have to I detail my agenda, my presentation, when to do what. Even that you have to make choice about the food. It's crazy, huh? So all kind of new things. But I wanted to have that experience, and I think I love to meet you also in person. So it comes from two ways. So exciting times, busy times, a lot of going on in the market. Should have a local assistant. Yeah, Francis, I should have many things, but you go what you have, correct? If you do 10 events a year, you can standardize things. The first time always takes the most energy, correct? It's a learning curve. And next time you kind of have everything in place, you know how it went, you know what worked well and didn't work well. So next time I can just rinse and repeat, yes. So, and I feel good uh, with how things goes. So, yeah, we have one excellent speaker and very likely two excellent speakers, and with me three. So there's a lot of content provided. So that is in place. And Arlene said, I'm glad to hear you talking about the next time. Yeah. Now, there is no next time if the first time will not be a success. So we'll see. I'm not promising a next time. I really put a lot of effort in it to make this a success. Okay, and if this becomes success, then maybe there's a next time. So I'm sure it will be a success because the content, I do believe. So basically, I'm going to teach you in person what I do. That's basically what you're getting. Basically, you're going just to look over my shoulders and can ask straight question how I do certain things. So not making things up. That's basically the heart of the the the, the event. Yeah. And if you would only do 100% of what I do, then you do fine. So I think if I do the math, many people would be very happy if they do 100% what I do, what I make. So it's a bold statement, correct? But if you only do a little bit good what I do, you do fine. That's what I wanted to say. So I'm confident that when you go home, that you learn something that you say, oh, that was 10 times the value. You only have to kind of do one thing, one small thing to make it worldwide, the trip, a worldwide coming event. And also, that's the beauty of those events. You will meet a peer. So how many people in your area? How many people in your area you you can speak about your business? They understand what you're doing. Almost nobody, correct? So not in your family, okay? Not in your street, not in your city. So just some internet market friend. We are how do you say it? Not a strange, but a rare and small group, correct? We are a small group of people. Yeah, unique. Yeah. And we kind of feel it's normal because we talk every week, but you cannot talk with other people about things the same way. They don't understand that. They do not understand it. They cannot understand that you can make money with internet marketing kind of easy. They cannot understand that in principle you can make more money than a doctor, and you don't need to go 8 years studying hard for it. Yeah, the 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 potential is very high. Okay, so thanks for joining this call. So let's dig in the training. Let me don't tell my doctors. No, I don't like their bills. So when I go to the doctor, I have to pay $150 only to get a renewal on my medication. And they see me 5 minutes. I'm getting very frustrated about that. Yeah, don't start me on that. So let me share my another screen. I want to explain something. So who of you guys do know the difference between SSL and securing your website, your WordPress website? What's the difference? Tell me. What's the difference between SSL and securing your WordPress website? Be on page, I don't know, art. Okay, kind of. No. Oh, Paul. Paul has it right. Paul Douglas. Some of you guys have it really right. That is amazing. That's very good. No, So that was one of the most question I got. They said, Jack, I already have HTTPS. So SSL installing your website enables that your information between the server where your website is hosted and the user, that information stream is encrypted. So it's hard for hackers, I will not say hackers, but anybody to see what the information is, what the information is. It's encrypted, correct? It's encrypted. So the data between server, what is your website, and the computer, what is you, or the website visitor, is encrypted. Now I hope that I don't spell it wrong, but you got it correct. I think it's with a Y. Okay. Okay. Now that is those, and the security WordPress plugin does, what does it do? It secures, it avoids, it makes it harder that hackers can log in your website to do bad, let's say very bad things. Okay, like they download all the users, they download the information, they put some other codes that they have, can spam emailing, they do very bad things. Okay, is that everybody clear that the difference between SSL and securing your website with a WordPress plugin? So that is important to know. Step one. Now, yeah, Paul has had some experience. I see this. So it can also redirect to another website like porn. So he knows what he speaks about. So so you need both, correct? You need both. It's not a matter of a question. You need one. Do you need SL, or do you need secure your WordPress website? No, you need both. Now, since I forgot the exact date, but since 3 years, we launched WPGateway Secure, WPGateway Hosting, sorry. And we learned very fast we needed to secure WordPress websites as best as possible. Okay? Does that make sense? So we created the best. Why only WordPress? WordPress is so vulnerable. It's used, I think it's the most used platform. So if you want to hack something, then better hack something what is getting most used. Like, why is Windows used the most and not Apple? So that's part of the reason. Other one is Apple is closed environment and Windows is open. But WordPress has tools and a structure. Tools. So WordPress has tools and structure which makes it hack sensitive. Okay, HTML websites are not so much hack sensitive. So that is a very big advantage for HTML website. Okay. Hackable. Okay. Hackable. Make not so hackable sensitive. Okay. Okay. So does it make sense? Okay. It's not an option. I'm telling you, if you have a website, a security plugin is not an option. It's a necessity. Sooner or later, especially when you get some traffic, a WordPress website will get hacked. If you don't have any protection. Now, the last 3 years, we know everything was in the market about security plugins. We know everything what is in the market about securing websites. And we created our own product mainly for websites which are hosted on WPGateway, but we'll also make it available if the website is not available on WPGateway. So let me share the screen. So there's a website I just used as demo, and I promise you, after demo, correct? So when you install the security website, you see a dashboard, okay? A dashboard, and it shows all those things where you can secure on. You have on the dashboard, you get a quick glance about what is secure or what is not secure. Green means not hack sensitive, and red means that point is hack sensitive. Does that make sense how the dashboard looks? It's easy, correct? So green and red is like a traffic light. Now, did you create it? Yes, the security plugin is developed by us. It's in the market of its use is 3 years. Okay, containers get updated every week. Every week, when something happened on a website on WPGateway, we will improve the security plugin. Every time when we learn something, okay, it gets improved. So it's an ongoing process. It's kind of a battle, correct? Yes, it got automatically updated. So you don't need to do anything. Once installed, it gets always updated. Every time when something is improved, we release the updated version, and the updated version get released on this website. Okay, you don't need to click anything for live once installed. Okay. Now, there are several versions, and the version you get on the sales page, you get them all. But let's not run in the. So you should have a basic version, basic features, advanced features, and extreme features. Okay. So you can read about each item what it does, and if it is a simple, if WPGateway Secure can fix it easily, you just have to click on fix. Okay, before I do this, check if uploads folder is browsable by browsers. Okay, so that is a hack item. Okay, so pause that, and now the one-click fix is one feature I love the most. Yes, that is what I wanted to demo. That's kind of for 80% of the reason why I want to demo it, because you need to see it by your own eyes. So before I do it, I can only do it once, because once it is fixed, I cannot do unfix. Okay. Everybody see is a red dot an item that needs to get fixed and get a fix button. Okay? Please enter yes before I do this, because otherwise I cannot do 10 times. I can only do 1 time. So click on fix. Click on fix. And then it asks a confirmation. Fix is successfully applied. You see this? You get a message, fix it, and then you click OK. And when I click OK, that fix button is going to disappear. And the red button, the red dot, is going to change to green if everything goes well. Click OK. And let's do the magic. Wow, you guys saw this? Check it, it was red and now it's green. Voila. Who can click on a fix button to protect your website? Everybody, correct? Yeah, it's a magic. Okay, you don't need to be an expert anymore. So then Deanna said, I bought this a week or so ago, haven't installed it. Can I use WordPress with any hosting? Yes, it can get on any hosting. Yes, it's not related to WPGateway. It's related to WordPress, and you need it for WordPress. You need it for WordPress. Okay, so I have, is this a plugin? Yes, it's a plugin. The plugin gets automatically updated. Okay. Now, you want to see another example? I can do 2 more times. Okay. See the red dot? It shows it is red, means it is not 100% protected. Okay, hack sensitive. You see the button fix, you click on fix, okay, you get fix is successful applied and click OK. Okay, you guys see this, how this works? Now we only have one thing to do. You want to see the last one? Click on fix, fix successful applied, OK. So these are the basic features. You have also advanced features, okay? So if you want to do really protect plugins from other captcha, okay? Protect login form with captcha. So if you want that, so it makes it harder and harder. But the advanced feature, you kind of want to know what you're doing, correct? And the extreme features, you know, you can change the login URL, for example. Okay? And it's kind of new plugin path. It's not, it is not some hide plugins and new plugin path will not always work with they will not work with all the plugins, so you want to be a little bit careful. Okay, then you can see if this spam code was going on. Okay, is it not compatible with every other PI? I don't know what that means. Please plug in. Now it is compatible with plugins, but some plugins have problems when you change the folder. So you kind of, for hacking, it is good when you change the folder name, but certain plugins cannot handle that. So you don't use that thing. So if you do no encryption found, so 9 static links, so this website has some links to other websites, and they are hard links, so that's why it shows. And you click on that button, you can see which links that are. Okay, then you can block IP. So let's say you want to block certain IPs and you don't recognize it, you can click on details and block them. You can also whitelist IPs. That means, you know, all those users which you have defined when they log in as a user. So sometimes, let's say you want to block a certain country, but your VA lives in that country. Okay, when that VA logs in with that username, it still is able to log in. You can see the visitor logs. Okay, we're all logged in. Okay, you can see somebody is from Dublin. You guys saw this? Somebody landed on my website, lives from Dublin. Okay, nice. Hack attempt, so you can see if there was any hack attempt. And then log in. Okay, who logged in? You can even, let's say you want to make a certain amount of changes on your website. You link it to WPGateway, and one click within the website, you can make a backup. So you don't need to go to WPGateway to create a backup. So when you say, I want to make major changes, before I do that, I want to create a backup, you can do this. Okay? Does it all make sense now? And why do you want to make a backup? Did you ever mess up a website and you wish you had the previous version? No? That's good for you. Did you ever work on a website? You always have one time when you upload a plugin or do some stuff in WordPress. Sometimes things get messed up and you wish, oh, I wish I had the previous version. That is where this for. Lloyd said, backup is a lifesaver. Yeah, I always back up when I do major changes. So if you have, okay, it comes with all the 3 versions. I don't know where the link is. I didn't prepare that. If you go to products, WPGateway Secure, it has all the production. It has everything, but I just showed you. Okay, it has everything. So it has, I don't know where, 76 layers, all those layers and more. They are not all listed here. Okay, it just has everything. Everything what we came across the past 3 years, it is in that plugin. Okay, it has everything. Now, if you have host the website and WPGateway, you don't need it. Okay, it gets automatically installed. Okay, so you don't need that. Which version do you have as default within WPGateway? The last. Okay, it's always the last. The extreme, correct? Yes. The latest. Yep. Okay. Does this demo make sense to you? Because I felt when I sent out that email past weekend, not everybody got it. And I think you're missing the boat if you don't secure your website. I really do. Okay, I really do. You miss the boat if you don't secure your website. And for sure, if that website is important. For a demo website, it's okay. But if you have it, if this is your money-making website or client website, then you need to do that. Can we prospect for sites that need this protection? Yes, you can. Yeah. So I forgot the exact percentage, but 60% or something from all the new websites are created with WordPress. Would we need to purchase the plugin for each of our website? No. It's unlimited users. So with one license email, you can use it for unlimited websites. How do you prospect for this service? Okay, so if you have Lead Finder Jack, where are you? Lead Finder Jack modules. And where is the WPGateway secure module? I have to look for it. Website without SSL certificate and but that is one. But we also have website export adding dig deep. 1 second. Low overview website with modules address protector, video protector, WordPress site secure risk protector. You see this? Okay, this is a check. It check if the website is on WordPress. If Lead Finder Jack is able to detect if it is based on WordPress, per definition it is not secure. Then you can still see, if I'm able to see that there is WordPress, there's still code that I can use to log in from the backend. Where was that one on the list? Okay, so when you go to tutorials, you go to lead, okay, you go to jackhome.com. That's where it starts, correct? Kind of everything starts with jackhome.com. At least I try. Try hard to make that a starting point. Then you go to tutorials and then you look for Lead Finder Jack modules. You see this link? Lead Finder Jack modules. Okay. And then you see all those modules. And module 3 is the WordPress site security risk prospector. Okay. And then you go on this and then you look at the tutorial. So you can prospect, you can filter on websites. The Lead Finder Jack will check if the website has built on WordPress and if it is outdated and all kind of stuff. And then you can prospect those businesses. Okay, it's really nice because I can show you, if you want, the tutorial.
Okay, this video is to show you to use biz and local companies. The different results were about, and this one that you could, we long list.
I want to show you something.
Token in it, a security token. So you place your cursor where you want the token and click on the button. You cannot type the token in and expect it to work. It won't work. If you want to add anything else throughout the message, you can do so. Change it any way you want. And here I will add my name and phone number. And if you want to add your settings or end up in spam, and I'm looking, and now the only companies that are left in the campaign, and you can call them here. We're going to, if you're sending a seed, it should be send a test email. So it's going to send the one test email of the potential clients.
Okay, I was looking for this image. Okay, you guys see this image in the email? So it will create an image of the website and it put this stamp on it. So the prospect will get this email with an image of the website and the security risk stamp on it. That is how advanced it is. It's not it's still amazing, correct? It creates from every prospected website a unique image, a picture, a screenshot of that website, the top part, what is above default. And then it adds that stamp security risk. You guys see this? That is how the email will look like with that token. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yes. Yeah, I forgot about it. Thanks for asking that. It's so unique. It's hardly underused. Yeah. So you get the attention, correct? You can really, if you receive an email with your website and with that stamp on it, you pay attention, correct? What is the market value? Now, I would always sell hosting with it. So security plugin, I don't know. It's not really my business to sell only secure website. I do bigger deals. But if you do SSL hosting and secure your website, you have a very nice package, correct? For that package, SSL, secure your website, hosting, you can ask easy $98 per month. Okay? So the receiver will get, do you want to see images in the email? And most time they enable. For sure, if you got your website is extremely immediate in danger, correct? That's, of course, you open that email, correct? So, and you see the subject line, this is the website, risk. So, $98 per month for what? For the SSL, HTTPS, for secure the website, and for hosting. That is a nice package. Will I have to renew the SL every year? Yes. But for $98 per month, you earn enough money to take care of that, correct? So that's a nice package. The cost of SSL is $27 per year. It's nothing. You install it via WPGateway in one click. And if the website is hosted on WPGateway, it automatically gets renewed. There's no work on your end. So if they have an existing site, we just hosted it on WPGateway and security get added. Correct. Can we resell on your hosting package? Yes, you can. Can we resell on your hosting package? I'm not sure how I have to read this, but why not take an economy, or economy is $5 per month per website, or on business level is $1 per website. You take that package. Let's assume you take the business level, okay? It's $100 per month for 100 websites. You find one client, and they pay for all your hosting. So now you have 99 websites hosting for free. Can I put client sites on your website? Yes. Okay. So with WPGateway, you have the pay-as-you-go, you have the economy. Let's see. So special WPGateway hosting. At Access Now, you have the economy is $5 per website, and the business is $1 per website. What is the charge to migrate a site over to WPGateway? It's for free. We do it for free. No cost. We make sure everything is working. You have, if you provide the cPanel information, that would be the best. So Arlene said, when I'm hosting sites on WPGateway, what if a client wants me to manage their site but keep their own hosting? Can I also manage sites that are not hosted on WPGateway? Yes, you can. So when we host it, we will you can have the option to update the plugins automatically. We will make backups weekly. One-click restore if something bad happens. You can restore the website. Okay. This is not related to Turbo Downfield. If I manage sites, do the count in the number of sites I am in a 10 domains plan? It's different. It's different, Arlene. 10 domain is when it's hosted on WPGateway. So if you have a website on WPGateway, SSL is extra, but it's only $27 per year. It's nothing. It's nothing. So it's peanuts. Okay. Oh, Brian, I think Brian never have seen WPGateway. That's my fault. Okay. Okay. You can once per month, I think, or once per 3 months, you can change your password if you want. So that's why it's showing this interface. So this is how it looks like your WPGateway interface. Okay, shows the domain name. It shows the logins. It shows cPanel information. You can log in via one click in the cPanel. You can find the FTP information. You can define email and forward emails, and you can say, okay, I want those plugins automatically updated or not, and the same for the team. Okay, you can add, and now it's searching for the plugins. Okay, you can add SSL in one click, and it get automatically weekly backed up. You have a one-click restore from the backup. It's hosted on Amazon servers. We seldom need to use FTP, right? Yes, seldom, yeah, but it's available. So all the websites comes with a cPanel and FTP and email, you know. Okay, it's very complete. It's, by my knowledge, the most easiest WordPress managed website. It's not only for WordPress, you can use it for HTML and everything. But let's say you can order a domain. Where is this? Order domain. You can link your existing domain. You can easily install a WordPress website. Okay, you select the cPanel. Okay. Auto repair, for example. Select the domain. And then you can say the drag and drop, the local team jack standard was none. Okay, and then you select that website. Okay. So if you do an HTML website, and the easiest is cPanel information. Lloyd said it is the best hosting portal. Yeah. Thank you, Lloyd. So it's made for easy use. So Brian said, what would you charge per WordPress install for a client on your WPGateway? $98 per month. So I think this package, so listen here, this package, I will define the package. Okay, here this is how you want to prospect it. You sell it managed hosting. That is your service. Okay, you're going to include 1 hour per month updates. Okay, now that managed comes into the play, correct? Okay, 1 hour per month updates. Then you do backup. You do securing, hack safe. I have to find the right words. Hack safe. Art, help me a little bit. And then for I'm going to make it SSL HTTPS. Okay, so now you have your hack-proof management. Okay, hacker-proof. Okay, hacker-proof. SSL. Oh, one more thing. Automatic plugin and theme updates. Now, maybe I would not say automatic. They don't need to know it is automatic, correct? That you use WPGateway for that is your advantage. Plug-in and theme updates. Okay? Now, if you would ask here, nobody will say no for this package. Oh, 1 second. I will add something. Everybody say yes to it. Okay? Hosted on Amazon server. Okay? That is kind of which includes, okay, high speed Amazon server. Okay, I always love Arlene. Okay, I host it on high speed SSD. I don't know, it's too technical, but some people will understand it. Solid drive server. Yeah, each cPanel has its unique IP address. Now, guys, see this in the chat box? Copy this. Okay? Solid state drive. Yes, you know Art. So if they ask what it is just same as fast. It's getting normal. When you buy a new computer, you will know what it is. Guys, see this in the chat? No, this is a nice package. It's a really nice package. Now, when is the right moment to come with this package? When is the right moment to come with this package? When you create a website, correct? Selling a website. Art, I don't know what you up today, but you get every question good. So when you create or update a website, this is you want to add a recurring element. Does that make sense? It's all about recurring. To become wealthy, to get your life easier, is to work towards a recurring income. Does that make sense? You're always struggling when you work for one-time payments. So when you create a website, you include that managed hosting package. They always say yes to it. Does that make sense? So if you create website updates or whatever, this is the moment to speak about that security. Okay? Okay, now with everything you need to hit the right moment. Like they have a bad hosting experience. They have a bad website develop experience. They have an outdated website. The business is growing and they need a change. Okay? So I would guess every 3 years or something, a business needs a major update. Yes, all the cPanel come with different IP addresses. Okay? Now, every 3 years, I guess, every business need a major change. Now that means with 20,000 businesses in the United States, no, much more than 20,000. How many local businesses are in the United States? Let's see. Let's see. How many local businesses are in the United States? 20 million. Yes, 20 million. Yeah. I got a 20 million in the United States. Yeah, let's do the math. Okay, so let's say 21 million to make the calculation easier. 20 million. Okay. 21 million is 21 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, every 3 years, that means I have to divide it by 3 is 7 million. 7 million website needs to get updated every year, correct? Now, there are about, do you know, now it becomes, do you know how many local markets there are in the United States? Probably 20,000. Local markets. People who are able to update websites and do local marketing. I don't think there are 20,000, but let's say 30,000, correct? 30,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now divided this 1 by this. So that means 233 websites per local marketers. Okay? Does that make sense? So would your life change? So if you do 230, you at average 230, you can ask $98 per month, correct? So the potential, the realistic potential of this is to make, how much is this? $22,000 per month. That's a realistic potential if you go after this business. It's not recurring monthly. Does everybody see this? Can you make this bigger? Okay. So local business. Local business. Okay. And they need every 3 years an update. That means per year. Okay. Now there are local marketers. Okay, so it's 233 websites per year. $98 realistic amount per month means $22,866 monthly income, realistic. Okay, there's nothing what is out of the order when we did this math. I see currency. Okay. Okay. So that is your realistic potential if you go after this business. Ever see the opportunity? Now, let's say you suck. You're not good in this. You only make 10%. Okay, 10%. It's still $2,000 per month, correct? Then you have to do it very badly. $2,000 a month. So, who of you guys are happy with $2,000 a month? If you're really good, you make 3 times as much, correct? You make $60,000. You see? It's kind of the spread. But in your city, if you look in your city, there are a lot of businesses who need a new website or need an update. You start with that, and once you get 50 clients, you get word of mouth. Jack, how much would you charge for a new website? Standard 500, advanced 5,000. Okay. If I can just do one click with local team Jack, 500, no worries. And then a $100 per month package. If I have to do customization, probably $5,000. Okay. So I just wanted to make sure you guys see the potential of security plugin. You need it for your own business. Okay, you need it for your own business. Where is that plugin? Okay, I think I overwrote what I wanted to show. Oh, here it is. Yeah. So you need it for your own business. You need it for every important website. It's a one-click install that has the fixed features, so it's easy to improve. Many of you guys were on this call. They are using it. It exists 3 years. Almost every week we publish an update. Okay. That's kind of the demo I wanted to give today. So we are how many days apart? 11 days for the event. So it's next Thursday and Friday. I'm getting nervous. Who's coming? So who's coming? Brian is coming. Mike is coming. Kim just signed up. Kim, where do you live? Jorge is coming. Clue is coming. Dave is coming. Kim is from Tallahassee. I have a client in Tallahassee. So, thanks, Brian. She is with me client, I think, for 8 years now. Yeah, so I know Tallahassee. So, very nice. Where is it? I don't know. Everything starts with jackhopman.com. jackhopman.com, Turbo Marketing Bootcamp. I remember you mentioned that I'm just getting started. Good. So, I'm working on, let's see if I'm working on the presentations. See if I can, let's see if I can make this minimize a little bit. Okay, I don't know how it works this. But I work on a presentation. Yeah, Paul, just send me an email and let me know why you want to get approved for directly beta tester. Oh, I did this afternoon. Okay, I haven't checked that. It's Sunday. So my idea of the event is that I'm going to share everything what I know, what I do in my own business. Okay, to make a recurring income. Okay. So that is my idea. So the goal is that you leave with something that is worth 10 times what it costs to come to the event. That's my goal. Then you will get 2 nice presents. So you get 2 nice presents. Carl just sent me support tickets. I will take care of you. So that is in place. We will have 2 speakers. Actually, both you guys know Matt Basic. So he's coming Tuesday. Sell nothing. Pure content. This Tuesday he will come on the webinar. Pure content. Okay? So you can know him. He's in my eyes a loose cannon and brilliant. A loose cannon and brilliant. Okay. So we have an online meeting this Tuesday. Yes, 8 p.m. Same training, but because this was scheduled for Tuesday, I decided to do the demo today. Okay, that's kind of I needed some more time, and I felt I can send you an email about duplicate skill what you need, but if you don't see firsthand, it makes hard for you. Okay. So that's why we had the demo. And because we're getting close to the event, I have to confirm how many people are coming, how many rooms we need. So and how many I said how much food, yeah. The food and the rooms I need to confirm. So it's getting close. Okay? So getting close to the event, and I need to have those numbers in place. So if you come, please sign up now. Don't wait the last day because you don't have a room. Okay, at least not for the same rates. Okay, you don't have the room for the same rates, and you have to buy your food probably because it's not reserved in time. So thanks for joining this call. I really appreciate it. I look forward to see you in 2 days. Matt Basic will be our guest, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Thank you so much, and see you, and have a nice day. Rest of your day.